Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to talk about some things for your ram air vents, at least that's what we call them here at RV Wholesalers. So most toy haulers have at least 2 of these on their coach in the back. This is for allowing fresh air to be vented through the coach while you travel down the road. The one on the driver's side typically is up high, and we have that one open to catch the air. The other one will be on the other side, and we'll show you how that one opens and closes and how it should be positioned as well. So on the back side of the passenger side, we have the lower ram air vent open, so it's outward, allowing the air that's being caught on the driver's side to be vented through here. These are designed to vent out any of that gasoline smell or any kind of odors that you have in the back while you're traveling down the road. That way it's not just being built up in there. So if you've got fuel tanks or a four-wheeler or whatever it may be in the back, this is a way you can travel down the road, let air run through the coach, catching it on the driver's side and venting it out through the passenger side. Now we'll go inside and I'll show you how they actually open and close. So here on the inside of the coach, this is the vent. I have it in the closed position right now. So simply just pull the vent either to the back or pushing it to the front will open and close it whichever way you like to have it. Like I said, this being the lower one, we actually want to push it towards the rear. That way the air is being caught on the front, vented out through here. That way any gasoline smell or anything like that's not being built up in the back or escaping into the coach while you travel down the road. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.